Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can clear a group chat on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to show you how you can clear chat history or conversation from our group chat on Instagram. So I'm going to go to the Instagram direct messages by clicking on this icon on the top right. And then before I clear my conversation on my group chat, I'm going to show you the conversation. So for example, I'm going to clear my conversation of this group chat. Okay, this is one of my group chat on Instagram and I'm going to open it. And this is the conversation on this group chat guys, and I'm going to show you how we can clear the conversation or the chat history on this group chat. Okay, as you can see that there is no option to clear the chat or clear the conversation. Okay, there is no option, but don't worry because we can still clear the conversation of this group chat. If we want to do that, we just need to tap and hold on the group chat like this, and then we can simply click on delete. And after that, you will get this question, delete chat from inbox, are you sure? And you can read the description before you clear it. The people who messaged you can still see the conversation and can message you again unless you block them. It means that even though you clear the group chat history from your Instagram, the chat history will be visible for them. So they can still see the conversation or the chat history through their Instagram group chat. Okay, and once you're ready to delete it or remove it from your group chat, you can click on delete. Okay, and now the conversation of my group chat has been deleted, and if you want to get back the group chat on your chat list, you just need to scroll down, or you can simply search for the group chat you have just cleared the chat history from. I'm going to search for it. This is the name of my group chat. Okay, as you can see that the conversation has been removed from this group chat. Okay guys, and that's all the way to clear a group chat on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.